Hey guys, it's me again. I wasn't sure if I would get around to getting this video done on time or not. It's been rather busy, rather crazy. A couple of days, week, whatever. I don't even know what day it is anymore. I was sick, and then I got over that. I had some family down, and then I got over that. Anyways, a lot of things was going on. Didn't think I was going to actually get this done on time. Then I thought maybe I could, but I guess we will see if this ends up uploaded on Monday or not. I did want to talk a little bit about the Ryzen 5000 processors that's come out, the new, all kinds of things that's going on with that. Benchmarks have been dropped. A lot of things have gone on, but I did not get a chance to, I guess, prepare for that. I haven't seen everything that there is out there and formulated any opinions just yet on that. I have not been able to see any more stuff on the Radeon 6000 series, also known as Big Navi, so I have not basically done any of that stuff. I really wish I had, but for now I have to put this together and get this done, because this is for my job and they actually pay me to do stuff, so I have to take care of them first. Unfortunately, I did not get a chance to actually even see anything that I wanted to actually see. So I'm going to basically be doing the same thing I did last week. I'm going to be putting all of this into this system. It's going to look pretty much exactly the same as the last one. Basically it is pretty much the same as the last one. I needed 2 of these systems, so that's what we're working with now. And for some reason, this bag tore and poured every bit of this out into the bottom of this case. That's pretty fantastic, actually. By fantastic, I mean absolutely not fantastic, actually. So I plan to do this one pretty much like I did the last one, and I will put the SSD on the back side so you don't see it so much from this side, and go from there with that, with the other stuff. Honestly, when I looked at this last time, the board pretty much just went straight in without any issues. I don't think I had to stick any more standoffs in, did I? Alright, let's go get the IO shield out of here. Basically be through with that. So anyways, since I was not able to look up anything on the new 5000 series, benchmarks or any of that stuff yet, if you would like to mention in the comments how much awesomeness I have missed out on, feel free to do that. Go ahead and rub that in, that I missed everything. I deserve it. I know this is probably not the best angle for you to see in here what I'm doing, but I am in a bit of a hurry, so I might even just fast forward this part because I'm not really saying anything important anyways. is a little bit cheatery just to hide them all down there, but again, the intended audience for this PC is not going to care. Or, well, intended user of this PC. They did not quite include enough twisty tie. So let's see here. One of these is going to be the least obvious. I don't have a black one, do I? As a matter of fact, white window. This will work. Uh-oh. Guess I don't know my own strength there, eh? You know what? I do have another twisty tie, so that's fine. It's not a black twisty tie, but neither was that zip tie. That should do that. Not really superstitious, so I don't care about, like, oh, you can't put the sides on until you post or anything like that. Would it be helpful if I did it that way? Occasionally, yes. But oh yeah. Even though this is not a tempered glass panel or anything like that, I still like this design though. And that is that. And now, I already installed Windows and everything else on these PCs whenever I was working on testing RAM. So, that is not something I need to do again. Let's see. I'll need mouse and keyboard. Plug in. I will get a different power cord in a second, but I will use this. Things coming on. All right. All right, that came back up. Looking good there. So that takes care of that. We've got everything running here again. I really wish that I had I guess looked at or read or did something else to where I could have more information on the new systems, the new CPUs, the new cards, graphics cards or whatever from AMD, and wish I could share all that information with you. I just did not get it done. So that's my bad. But I got this done. It's pretty much the same build as we did last week. Or, well, it is the same build as we did last week, but just on a different day. So, hit that thumbs up if you like what you're seeing here. If you want to see more content like this, get subscribed and hit that bell icon so that you can get notifications every time that I upload a new video. And I will catch you in the next video.